The 13th case of coronavirus confirmed in Jamaica. Now, before you go any further, subscribe to the Sauna Room, give this video a thumbs up, and leave your comments in the comment section below. Now, Jamaica has another confirmed case of the coronavirus here in Jamaica. Now, this pushes the number to a total of 13. The health minister, Dr. Christopher Tufton, says the last person is linked to patient 1 who came to Jamaica from the United Kingdom and has been staying in Bull Bay, St. Andrew. At a press conference at Jamaica House Tuesday, Tufton said this further justifies the decision to declare 7 and 8 miles Bull Bay as an quarantine area. Meanwhile, Christopher Tufton said 26 people are now in isolation, 27 quarantined in government facility, and 52 in home quarantine. Now, this is the end of the video. Please remember to subscribe to the Sauna Room for more updates and turn on your post notification bell. Leave a comment in the comment section, and until next time, this is the Sauna Room, where we keep you updated with everything Jamaica and Jamaicans.